Aaron, that like is making something happen because like I felt something hit me. What was that hit me? Huh?
Probably a piece of
when you shot that, like something hit me.
residue. GSR.
Huh?
GSR.
I only did 4?
Yeah, you still got one left.
I got excited, I guess, when I was...
I know, that's what I was wondering what you were doing, what you were waiting on.
I felt that in my teeth. It's shooting low. Did you notice that?
Yeah, that's when I hit the gut. I thought it should have gone up higher.
Dad. You have a little screwdriver on you.
I don't. What do you have?
Huh?
I don't have one on me.
Just so?
Unless there's one in my gun case. Checking there.
I don't think I do. Daddy's done. You can just stop the video now.
Hit the stop button.